friends, thank you so much for your response. Your likes and subscriptions motivate us to add more videos. Let us taste the thoughtful motivation quote today. Impossible is just an opinion. This is one of my favorite quotes that speaks volume with such few words. Your job is to believe in yourself. Plenty of people will tell you it's impossible to do what you want to do, but don't forget those same people gave up on themselves and their dreams. If you want something that bad, you will do whatever it takes to get it. Just believe in yourself, work hard, and learn from your failures. Your job is to not to listen to those who think otherwise. Your job is to listen to yourself and what your soul wants. Impossible is someone's opinion, what's yours? Let us take our life positively.